Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we will show how to record the mouse when you are shooting video using Bandicam. So first you have to go to the video section here, then go to the settings. Then there are a couple of tabs here. Select the mouse, and when you select this, check this, it will show the mouse on the video that you are using Bandicam to record. You can select the sizes here. Ideally, I prefer to select 150. It makes the mouse to look easy to spot on the screen. You can also select the add mouse click effect, and you can select the size and also left click color. Like when you press, it will do the right color, and if you do the right color, it will do the blue color. So you can select the color from here. You can also add a mouse highlighting effect. See, like when you move the mouse, this yellow button color will also move with that. And if you want to play mouse clicks sounds while recording, click on the left click and right click. Ideally don't do that, but if you want, you can do that. So this is how you record the mouse when you're recording video using the Bandicam. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.